Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. My name is David Wilkerson and this is Surplus Funds 101. Just wanted to start off by saying thank you to all the people who've been liking my videos, subscribing to the channel, and been supporting us. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go and do it right now. Promise you guys, you'll dig it. On this channel, I give away so many nuggets of gold and all these things I've done over the years to build my business to where it is and things like that. But I wanted to make this video in particular to talk to you guys about skip tracing. Now, I know in a few of the other videos, I've gone over some of the websites that you can go to for free to skip trace data. Um, and you know, all those sites work good, but when you really want to take your business to the next level, and when you got some money you want to invest, you really want to start spending money on getting all your data skip traced in bulk. One, doing it in bulk, you're going to get the best deal as far as how much you're going to pay. But two, if you get it done in bulk, it just saves you so much time. Going and chasing little tiny lists and then getting them skip traced and then removing all the columns from the spreadsheet, creating a master key, that takes a lot of time. And if you're a one-man show, that can completely screw up your dexterity or just your day-to-day prospecting habits. And so what I tell people to do is when it comes to data, do it on Sunday afternoon when you're not talking to people on the phone. You know, usually Sunday afternoons, if you're not prospecting, it's more or less dead time. And so during peak prospecting hours, be on the phones and be talking to people, but this kind of stuff can all be done on Sunday or during the kind of the low contact periods of business. But to get back to what I was saying, you guys, not all of these skip tracing companies are designed equally, and usually you pay for what you get. And I'm a big proponent on spending money on the most important things in my business and being the best and most efficient about doing so. And you guys, when it comes to getting data, if you have to spend 15 cents a file, but your accuracy can increase 30 or 40% all day long, do it. I mean, when you really start working at the math, you start looking at the margins, it's a no-brainer. Plus, it's a write-off. But you guys, this is my favorite paid website, okay? And not only do I use it, but all the other big gurus in the industry, they use it, okay? So, I mean, if they're using it and I'm using it, there must be something to it, okay? But they do all sorts of cool stuff. The top two things that I use them for are skip tracing and texting. Okay, and number one, when it comes to skip tracing, you guys, this is hands down, out of all the companies I've worked with, the most consistently accurate company when it comes to delivering me quality skip trace data. Okay, now here's the kind of the low down skinny on why you're gonna love Batch Lead Stacker so much. Okay, now the membership. The membership started about 40 a month and it's about 15 cents to skip trace a file. I know what you're saying, David, it's $40 a month and I got to pay to get skip trace. Well, let me show you how you will save way, way, way more than that $40 a month. Okay, you guys will never be paying for files with no hits. Okay, so for instance, if you upload a list of, let's say, 1,000 contacts, well, let's say that 80% of them came back and had hits. Well, that means 200 of those files that you paid for or that they charged you for don't have data. Okay, so you're never going to pay for a file that has no hits. So if they can't find a telephone number on a person, you aren't going to pay for it. Okay. Second thing is you're never going to pay for a duplicate lead. When you're buying data, a lot of the times these lists, the same person will be on 2 or 3 different lists from you, right? Well, when you upload it, it stores all that data and filters it. Okay, so it will remember a contact name, an address, and telephone number, and it won't charge you for that neither. And on the website in the back office, it shows you guys how much money you save every time you do an upload. And once you start doing big business, you guys are doing thousands and thousands of skip trace files every single month. You guys are going to look at this shit on an annual basis and be like, God, they charged me 40 a month or whatever the package you decide to be on, but I saved 500 a month and I got to write it all off. It's a no-brainer, okay? And then as far as texting goes, I know a lot of people, what they like to do when they get data is they like to on first call, they like to text them and call them and leave a message. And so Batch Lead Stacker, they also offer texting, and it's fully compliant. And so you're never gonna have to worry about stepping on any toes or not being able to talk to somebody or having somebody yell at you or anything like that. It's fully compliant, so you're good to go. Okay, it's also probably the best in class in quality as far as delivery speed and open rates when it comes to text message marketing. Okay, and then you also get a 100% free litigation scrub. And this is probably the best part, you guys, for me. I'm not the most tech savvy guy. I mean, you guys have seen all the stuff that I've recorded and done. This is about the best as of right now. And I'm learning, I'm getting better, so thanks for hanging in there. But this tech platform, you guys, is super easy to understand, super easy to use. And it's one of those things too. If you kind of struggle with technology or you get overwhelmed real easily, this is just the way it's laid out, the way everything is integrated. It's just so easy to do it all by yourself and not have to ever worry about calling in to customer service. But you guys, I've been doing this for a long time. I've been in the industry now over a decade. Spent shit, I don't know, probably $30,000 plus skip tracing data. Actually, probably way more than that. You know, I've seen all of these companies. Not only that, I know a lot of people who are big time wholesalers, and everybody wants to know where the best skip tracing is. And this is the secret, you guys. If you guys are going to spend any money, go spend it with Batch Lead Stacker. Okay, I in the description of this video, I have a link, and it's to Batch Lead Stacker. So just go and check it out, and I promise you, you guys won't be disappointed. You guys are going to save way more than you'll make. You guys, if you found any value in this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, share with your friends. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. Hope you're having a great day. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.